Alright. Dental appointment all done. Time to head home. Get some lunch. Still gotta get to work. I'm told I'm gonna be the only person at work today. Should be kind of nice. I can actually get some work done. But then I also might not even change. Just wear my jeans, hit the gym, do a little work. Go home. So when I picked up this bike from the dealer, I noticed that the plates next to both foot pedals on both sides are scratched. And I was like, what the hell? Like, I didn't even get on the damn bike yet and it's already scratched. And I looked at it, tried to wipe it away. Oh no, it's not even a surface scratch. It's all the way down to the aluminum. And they take it to the back and have their people look at it, try to come up with a solution. The plates on this bike are completely different than all the other models. So they couldn't even swap the plate from an older model to this one with matching color. I did not want them to repaint it because no. And so the guy comes back out and he's like, oh, well, they're gonna get scratched anyways. And I was like, whoa, 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 whoa. You scratched my brand new bike. You're gonna replace the parts. I'm not taking a bike without something in place for that to happen. You can give me my money back, you know. And long story short, they decided to write it down and they're going to order the parts as soon as Yamaha starts selling them, because Yamaha does not have them. Well, they have it listed on their website, they have the part number and everything, literally called plate 1 and 2, but they are not in stock, of course. So it's gonna be a month or two, I'm guessing. But I was just floored that, oh yeah, they're gonna get scratched anyways. Really? I just fucking gave you a boatload of money for a brand new bike, waited 4 months for it, and you're gonna tell me, oh, they're gonna get scratched anyways. I never wanted to slap someone so bad. I don't even mean punch them. Like, I'd just slap you. And I have been riding for a week, give or take, 180 miles. I have not scratched him at all with my shoes and my boots. So what is your excuse? Ooh, student driver. Not good. And you can tell that the scratches are all the way down to the aluminum, because it is starting to kind of, I don't want to say rust, but cancel. Stupid voice commands. I don't want to say there's surface rust, or yeah, see, this stupid damn voice command got me all jumbled up. But You can tell because it's got some rust on it now. It's not shiny silver anymore. It's an ugly, ugly brown. Very disappointed in the dealer for that. I get it's a brand new bike. No one's ever seen one before. So yeah, cool. They're gonna want to test ride it, right? I understand that. I really do. But come on. It's not your bike. Take care of it. Chilies. My daughter calls them peppers. She's a twitchy. Getting the hang of these turn signals. I can just tap it and it'll flash 3 times instead of signaling for an hour. Once you get a hang of them, it's pretty nice. Uh-oh. He slipped and fell over. He has fallen and can't get up. Hopefully my GoPro is recording, because that would be kind of cool. So fast. I do have to say that the wind reduction on the GoPro is pretty good. 65, 70 miles an hour. It's pretty windy on a naked bike. And it does a very good job. Until I turn to the side. If I turn to the side like this, it has a hard time reducing that wind noise. You know, I don't want to get off there. I think I'm going to go a little bit further. Oh, I got a bug right in the center of my visor. this shifts like, or yeah, fifth, it accelerates. It doesn't shift in fifth, unless I tell it to. It accelerates pretty quickly. Even though this is a naked bike, I feel it handles the wind pretty well. On my other bike, my older one, it's also a naked bike, and the slightest breeze, I feel like I'm like, whoa, you know? But this one, not so much. And it's not even crazy windy right now, but even with the wind from like other cars and traffic on the road while on the throughway, someone might blow past me and it will shove me to the right or left a little bit. I don't feel that on this bike. And when I'm passing semis, I don't feel it. So even though it's very light and it's a naked, it's designed very well and it handles it very well.